What's going on, dudes? Down at a local lake today. The rain just stopped. Finally. As you can see, there's the lake. It's flooding up. I'm gonna try and pull some fish out of this lake. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be successful. I haven't fished here much, and when I have not had any luck. Holy crap, just went to step out of my car. Looks like the lake came to me today. Alright, finally made it to land. My feet are soaked. All these sewers are overflowing here. Gosh, this rain only lasted for probably like 20 minutes too. At the lake. I'm gonna start off with this little Texas rig weightless Senko. Alright. Just made it over to this pretty prime spot. Man, I hope there's a fish in here. It looks like there should be. Gosh, I might even try and get to that rock. Oh, is it worth it? Screw it. I'm trying it anyways. Oh, man. Oh, we got one. Oh, shoot, I got him in some trees down there. Oh man. Oh gosh, look at these weeds I got him in. Oh, my reel just went in the water. Oh, you're okay, dude. You're okay, dude. Look at that fish. I'm jumping back over so that I don't lose this guy. Oh. Gosh, it's gotta be close to 3. See a little spot on his tail? I'm weighing him. Fish. First fish of the day after the rain. Usually it's good to fish right before it rains or before it storms, but 3.28. Man, that's a good fish. Awesome way to start the day. There he goes. Let's get rigged back up and see if we can't pull another one out. Maybe something bigger. Oh, there's another one. Oh, he let go of it. Ever since I started throwing these, there he is. Oh, yes. Another one on, boys. Oh, it's a dinker. Sure, I'm hooking them good though. Okay. Catch a 3.3 pound bass and then that thing. But I think we might have found the spot. Alright guys, I pulled out that 3-pounder, pulled out that little dinker. Haven't gotten anything so far. Seems like those are the only 2 fish here in this spot. Might take one more cast and I think I'm gonna move right across from us. Hey guys, I made a pit stop. I saw this spot in here. This is where the inlet leads to. It's all flooded. Oh my gosh, I've hit. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. What in the world was that? He bit the end of my tail off. I didn't know. crap. Check out that plane. That's a military plane right there. Woo! I'm not gonna lie, as loud and annoying as they are, that's pretty cool. Made it under the bridge. I'm really glad there's no one here. Oh! I just spooked something. Oh, what? Come on. Alright, dudes. Just got home. Had a great night on a lake that I really haven't had any luck on. But I kept going back to the lake. I kept trying it out. I switched up baits, tried new things. Tonight it was definitely the Senko that pulled through. And it just goes to show, if there's any ponds or lakes that you guys are fishing that you know you're not having any luck on them, but you know there's bass in there, you've heard there's bass in there, keep trying. You know, keep going back, keep going at it, because you know, it's just a matter of figuring those fish out. So keep trying, it'll pay off in the end. And stay tuned for this weekend. I will be heading up north to do some smallmouth fishing, some largemouth as well. And I will be participating in One Rod, One Reel's little nationwide smallmouth tournament. It's on Sunday. I'm going to try and film all of that. Hopefully we can pick up some good smallmouth. And if you guys got smallmouth in your area, join this tournament. It's on the Fish Better app, which is an awesome concept. I can't believe they made something like that work. It's pretty sweet. But yeah, check that out. And like I said, if you got smallmouth in your area, enter the tournament. It should be a whole lot of fun. I think it's like $10 to enter, so you're not breaking the bank entering that tournament. But yeah, so stay tuned for the videos next week after this weekend. I'll try and get some up over the weekend if I can find Wi-Fi somewhere, but not too sure how that is going to work. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and stay tuned.